Hello, hello, Freddy at Bobcat. Are you looking for an excavator? Does saving time pique your interest? Because we all know time is money. If you're looking at an excavator, I want you to look at the push blade. Does it have a bolt-on replaceable edge on the push blade like the Bobcat does? Bolt-on edge, easily replaceable. No cutting, no welding. Save a lot of time, and we all know in this business, time is money. What about tie-down points? What does the competition do for tie-down points? Do your workers have to be naval engineers to figure out how and where to chain the machine to the trailer? With the Bobcat, it's easy and obvious. So at the end of the day, Bobcat brings you more value. Save time, save money. Freddy at Bobcat.